After mastering Python basics, variables, loops, functions, and simple data structures, you stand at a critical crossroads where the path forward branches into specialized domains, each offering unique challenges and opportunities to deepen your programming expertise. The immediate next step should involve strengthening your foundational skills through applied practice, beginning with more complex algorithmic thinking by solving problems on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or CodeWars, where you can tackle challenges ranging from string manipulation and dynamic programming to graph theory, gradually increasing difficulty to internalize patterns like memoization, backtracking, and divide-and-conquer strategies that form the backbone of efficient code. Simultaneously, immerse yourself in object-oriented programming, OOP, a paradigm essential for writing scalable, maintainable software. Study classes, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation by building projects like a library management system or a basic game, for example tic-tac-toe, ensuring you understand not just syntax, but design principles like solid and dry that separate novice code from professional-grade architecture. Once comfortable with algorithms and OOP, shift focus to real-world tooling and workflows. Learn Git for version control by creating a GitHub repository, committing changes, and collaborating through branches. Then integrate this with CI/CD tools like GitHub Actions to automate testing and deployment. Familiarize yourself with debugging techniques using Python's PDB or IDE-based debuggers, logging libraries for tracking runtime behavior, and linters like Flake8 to enforce code quality. Concurrently explore Python's standard library in depth. Master modules like collections for specialized data structures, iter tools for efficient iteration, and concurrent.futures for parallelism, as these often provide optimized solutions that eliminate the need for verbose custom implementations. The next pivotal phase is selecting a specialization based on interest. Web development introduces frameworks like Django, batteries included, suited for monolithic apps, or Flask, lightweight, ideal for microservices, where you'll learn REST APIs, database integration, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and front-end basics, HTML/CSS/JavaScript, to build full-stack projects like e-commerce sites or blogs. Data science and analytics demand proficiency in pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical computing, and visualization libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn, progressing to machine learning with scikit-learn and eventually deep learning via TensorFlow or PyTorch. Start with cleaning public datasets. Kaggle offers countless options, then advance to predictive modeling or NLP tasks like sentiment analysis. Automation and scripting leverages Python's simplicity to automate repetitive tasks. Master web scraping with BeautifulSoup and Scrapy. Interact with APIs, for example, sending emails via SMTP or manipulating spreadsheets with OpenPixel, or even control hardware through Raspberry Pi projects. DevOps and cloud integration involves scripting deployment pipelines, infrastructure as code with Terraform or serverless functions on AWS Lambda, requiring knowledge of containerization, Docker, and configuration management. For those drawn to software engineering best practices, dive into design patterns, singleton, factory, observer, and architectural styles, MVC, microservices, by refactoring existing projects, and explore testing frameworks like PyTest to write unit and integration tests, ensuring robustness. Contribute to open-source projects on GitHub. Start with Good First Issue labeled tasks to understand collaborative workflows and code reviews, which expose you to real-world codebases and documentation standards. Performance optimization becomes crucial at this stage. Profile code using cProfile, optimize bottlenecks with C extensions via Python, or leverage just-in-time compilation with Numba for numerical tasks. To solidify expertise, build and deploy a capstone project, a web app hosted on Heroku, a data dashboard using Dash, or a CLI tool distributed via PyPI. This end-to-end experience teaches debugging in production, user feedback iteration, and dependency management, poetry, Python. Finally, stay current by following PEP updates, exploring async programming with Asyncio for I/O-bound tasks, and experimenting with emerging domains like quantum computing, Qiskit, or blockchain, Web3.py. The journey beyond basics is iterative. code, review, refactor, and specialize. Each layer of complexity mastered unlocks new horizons in Python's vast ecosystem.